are pleased to show you the 2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, speed control, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set. Come see the car for yourself.